This is just going to be a look at video, a close-up look of the item I received from Amazon. They work. I purchased them before and they work. They do what they're supposed to do. So this is just a close-up look of what you actually receive. The link is below. And I find these handy when you need fast charging, especially when you're playing videos, consuming content, while you have these plugged into the fast charger, which I'm not telling you to do that, but I'm saying in general, you won't run out of battery power. And you know, I understand that's not a good thing for the battery because you don't condition it. You're supposed to use it on battery and all that. I'm okay with that. I don't have a problem with doing that. I'm just letting you know that I don't think it's the best thing for your batteries, that's for sure. So this is a look at, close-up look. Let me just take some quick measurements. It was a pretty decent price for this pack. And I'll just make sure that it actually does charge the iPhone. Not a fast charger, I'm just looking to see if it actually just works and what you receive. It's gonna be nice when the iPhone goes to USB-C. That's gonna be pretty cool. This is the actual cable itself. 3 of them, one of each, and USB-C on one end. Pretty decent looking cable. And lightning on the other end. Pretty decent looking cable. Confirm the size. I forget what the size this is supposed to be. Almost 6 feet. I'll just confirm that. Yeah. Oh, well, a little bit longer now. Stretched it as far as I could. Now let me just make sure it works, that it actually does start to charge. And I'm going to plug it into the iPhone I'm using right now to see if it starts to charge. It's charging just fine and it's working great, no issues. Hopefully I'll get many years out of this. All right, I hope you like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. This was just a look at. Have a good day now. Bye.